After creating your account, you can proceed with identity verification. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Click on Verify Identity to start the process. You can also find this option by clicking on your profile icon, then on Settings and finally on the Verification tab. Fill in the required information, then click on Continue. The additional information will not be verified, but we invite you to respond sincerely. Now enter your field of activity. Select the identity document you wish to provide. You can choose to take a photo with your webcam or upload it from your computer. You will have the same choice for verifying your face. Select and provide in the same way a proof of residence less than 3 months old matching the address on the provided identity document. Congratulations, you have completed the identity verification. It is now pending. You will be notified by email as soon as it is validated.